Hello everyone, a very beautiful morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to give my sincere thanks to the most respected sir for giving me this opportunity to speak something in front of you. So today's the topic of my speech is habits. So let's start. If you want to speak fluently, then first you have to work on your habits. First you make your habits and then your habits make you. If anything is stopping you from achieving your goals, your dreams, then that's your habit. It's not what you think, say or hold. What's matter? That's matter what you do. Doing matter. Not saying, not thinking, just doing and just taking action, but to develop your habit. Dear friends, do you know bad habits are easy to start with but difficult to live with. Listen me carefully. Bad habits are easy to start with but difficult to live with, and good habits are hard to start with but easy to live with. Your habits decides will your English communication fluency, your success, your income. If you want a good job, respect, financial independence, good public speaking, so your habits is the only right way you can achieve it. Very few people have good habits. Habits need repetition. You have to repeat it every single day for become your habits. Stop watch TV, open a book. Stop watching reality shows, Instagram reels, WhatsApp status. Starts working on your confidence. Starts working on your English speaking skills. Starts improving your vocabulary. Starts improving yourself. You have to choose. Yeah, you have to choose between life-changing habits and life-destroying habits. If you change your habits, so you will see in your future, you will see a big change in your English communication and your entire life. Remember, it's all about your habits. So thanks for listening me and giving me your valuable time. Have an amazing day.